Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to unbox the Insta360 Backpack Mount that we have for the Flow 2, the Flow 2 Pro. And so let's get into it. So we have the box. Toss this to the side. We have the how to use. Let's open this up. So you open this up, put your backpack strap through here. This would be facing outward. And then I haven't read the instructions yet, but we're going to try this. Might help to read the instructions. So it sits down like this. And then that's a little safety catch to keep it from coming out. So if I'm wearing the backpack, you know, it'll be like that. And then to get it out, you simply press that in, lift up and take out. Pretty handy. I haven't done a lot of backpacking where I would need this, but I might start. Might go on a little trip and show you how it works. Thanks for watching.